Welcome to another unboxing video for the No Plan Vlogs. Today we will be unboxing our BOYA Super-Cardroid shotgun microphone. So we will be reviewing this, doing unboxing as well as the pricing as well. So stay tuned and please watch. The box itself is a bit small. Even though it's small, you'll get a lot of items inside. And we're gonna break down the items that are included on this package. Yeah, first up you'll see the fur windshield. Yep, fur windshield, and a few cables. There are two cables actually, and we're gonna break those down. Let me just get rid of this one. Alright. It comes along with this leather pouch. Yeah, I think this is leather because it smells like leather actually. And it says BOYA right there. Comes with stickers and some manuals. Let me just take off my mic right there. And then this one, we have the microphone right here. So the microphone itself comes along with the foam windscreen, as you can see right there. It has the windscreen and also the 1/4 cold shoe mount. Cold shoe mount right there, the one that has red and black on it. So it's actually a mount. You can actually mount it on a tripod. It has the locking mechanism as well right there. So you really need to twist it. Yeah, if you know, you know. Okay, so first up we're gonna unwrap this one. So it has two cables like I mentioned. The first cable, they are called 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS. So everything else is right here. So that's what you'll get on the package set right there. So right now we're gonna show you on how to set up this one. So you can actually remove the foam windscreen. Right there you'll see the mic. The fur windshield comes along with the plastic around it, for protection. You can actually gonna use this one, depends on the condition of the surroundings, especially if it's too windy. Alright, right here we have the two jacks, the TRRS to TRRS connector. This one comes separately. We bought this one on the BOYA official store as well. It's a lightning cable. Alright, let's unwrap these bad boys right here, the lightning cable. So you can see we'll be using the TRRS to TRRS connector. We're gonna connect this one to our lightning cable because we are pretty much doing vlogs using our phone right now. It's an iPhone. There. TRRS connector, and then the lightning cable goes to your phone. Well, basically. Testing with BOYA mic. Testing with BOYA mic. Testing with BOYA mic. Testing without BOYA mic. Testing without BOYA mic. Testing without BOYA mic. Testing with. Okay, it all boils down to the verdict. For this one, this gadget, the BOYA Super-Cardroid shotgun microphone, it is ideal for vlogging, mobile journalism, live streaming, ASMR recording, and more. We bought this one in Lazada. The price tag is around 2,500 pesos. I'll be including the link where we bought this one. And please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Till the next video, Peace. Bye.